Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi A5 automatic. First, familiarize yourself with the gear selector. You'll find P for park, R for reverse, N for neutral, and D for drive. Always press the brake pedal firmly before shifting gears to ensure safety and prevent unexpected movement. Once in D, gently release the brake and press the accelerator to move forward. To stop, simply press the brake pedal. Beyond basic driving, your Audi A5 offers exciting features. Engage Sport Mode for a more responsive and dynamic driving experience, perfect for spirited drives. For even greater control, use the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel to manually select gears. On longer journeys, activate cruise control to maintain a consistent speed. Remember to engage the electronic parking brake when parked on an incline. Safety is paramount when driving your Audi A5. Always ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened before starting your journey. Take a moment to adjust your side and rearview mirrors for optimal visibility, minimizing blind spots. Maintain a safe following distance from other vehicles, allowing ample time to react. Additionally, regularly check your tire pressure to ensure proper handling and fuel efficiency. When parking, select reverse to back into a spot, using your mirrors and parking sensors for assistance. Once positioned, shift to park and engage the electronic parking brake. And speaking of things that last, Darn Tough socks offer a lifetime warranty, keeping your feet comfortable for years. Remember to check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Finally, turn off the engine and secure your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.